Hello guys, fit people always miss a sweet tooth. So they completely wait for their cheat day to have desserts like chocolate or something. So guys, I have came up with a very simple recipe of a chocolate truffle. Basically it's an icing where we use dark chocolate and cream, and you just don't need to wait for your cheat day to have desserts. You can prepare these truffles and keep in a refrigerator for entire week. So let's see how we are going to prepare a basic classical chocolate truffles. To make chocolate truffles, we just need 3 ingredients: dark compound, double cream, I am using soya cream, and cocoa powder. That's it. Slowly boil your cream on a low heat. In 5 to 10 minutes, your chocolate is going to melt in that and it would look like this. So now I am gently mixing and I am going to refrigerate for hour or half an hour minimum if refrigeration is good enough. Again, remember, please do not get water in contact with any of this mixture so that your truffle will come out very nicely.